Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a scrunch shirt. I've washed and dried my shirt, soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. To begin, I'm just going to scrunch the shirt, make little folds in it, and hold them in place with some rubber bands. To dye the shirt, I'm beginning with Basic Blue from Pro Chemical and Dye, and I'm going to put that in a pie shape on my shirt. Then across from it, I'm going to use the same color, also in a pie shape. The second color that I'm going to use is Deep Yellow from Dharma Trading Company. I'm going to add this to one of the blank spaces between the blue. And in the remaining space, I'm going to put Chartreuse from Dharma Trading Company. Then I'm going to turn my shirt over, and I have Black Bang from Custom Colors that I'm going to paint on the back of the shirt with a foam brush. I'm painting it on instead of just squirting it on with my dye bottle because I don't want to oversaturate with the black. I want to have the black accents, but I don't want it to overtake the colors on my shirt. Now I'm going to turn my shirt back over and add a little bit more of each of the colors. I waited 24 hours before I washed it out, and here's what our shirt looks like. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.